I'm Sarah Borkson-Keto here in New York for REIT Week 2019, NAREIT's Investor Conference. I'm joined today by Chris Vogt, President and CEO of Store Capital. Welcome, Chris.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
So the company has continued its robust acquisition pipeline in 2019. What do you see looking ahead in terms of volume and pricing?
So our guidance for the street has been that we would do about $1.1 billion worth of acquisitions this year at a weighted average current cash lease rate of about 7.85. We expect to add to that with annual escalators going forward in the neighborhood of 1.75 to 2%.
And can you talk a little bit about your thoughts on corporate responsibility and how that guides you as you lead the company?
Well, we've thought about corporate responsibility from our inception. So when we started this company, we started it not to be a real estate investment vehicle, but really to provide capital to middle market companies that are real estate intensive, to give them very efficient solutions for their real estate. And in doing that, we've made companies more prosperous, more successful, and we've added to communities around the country in providing this type of capital and these kinds of solutions. Today, we're spending a lot more time thinking about how we can better help our customers. And when I think about ESG, I'm thinking about the notion that if we win, we all win. And it's very important to focus on all of our stakeholders, and from our staff to our customers to our suppliers. And going forward, I think you're going to see us take our customer conference that we initiated a few years ago, add a lot of environmental and social elements to that, and provide them with some options in terms of how they can better improve their own businesses.
And you recently authored a post on the Seeking Alpha investment blog on the business model dynamics of net lease companies. Why do you think that was an important message to convey, and in that format?
And I actually did too. I added to that, and I added a piece called Real Estate Moneyball that just came out before this conference. And over the years, I've written 1 or 2 academic publications, articles for academic publication annually. And in looking at Seeking Alpha, we have 24,000 followers or so. And so it occurred to us that one of the ways to reach out to these investors is to tell them what we're thinking about is to just publish directly instead of just going to an academic publication, which they perhaps wouldn't read, and then posting it onto a blog, which they perhaps wouldn't read. I mean, the thought was to do it in Seeking Alpha, which was more direct.
Great. Chris, thank you so much for coming.
It's a pleasure.
And for more on REIT Week 2019, be sure to visit REIT.com.